Since their beginnings in Madison, Wisconsin, Quest has become the gold standard American-made dehumidifier unit for any size cultivation operation. Quest units are the highest quality and perform like they should, giving cultivators the power to tailor their environment to their plant's needs. With a wide array of sizes and options, Quest is sure to have a humidity solution suited to your operation. They're also available to help bring your ultimate vision to life with customized solutions to fit any cultivator's specific needs. Growers know that proper dehumidification can make all the difference, and growers who use Quest can expect an expert team to help with HVAC design, selection, specification, installation, and operation to help them increase yields and decrease the number of problems. Check them out and see why Quest is the industry standard for dehumidification.